Alright, hey guys, here's your guys' homework on adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So, here's number 1. That's a little bit too thick. Alright, so since this is positive, you guys, and there's a positive in front of there, so we can drop the parentheses, you guys, and then just combine like terms. So, from this, you guys, the only ones you can combine are these two. So, negative 7k squared plus 4k squared, you guys, that's negative 3k to the second. And then, now I'll just go from the highest degree, you guys, to the lowest. So the next highest degree is 6k, you guys, so plus 6k. And then we just have to do this plus 6. And there you guys go for number 1. Okay, for 2, just remember, you guys, since this is a minus sign, there's really a 1 there, right? So you gotta distribute it to everything on the inside. So we're gonna get 8 minus 5k squared. Oops. So minus 7k squared, you guys, and a negative 1 times 5 is minus 5. And then combine like terms, so these are the same, or we can combine like terms and we can combine those. So if you guys look at the green, we're going for the highest degrees first, so negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12k to the second. 8 minus 5, you guys, is positive 3. Alright. Number 3. So it's positive, you guys, so that means we just add them by dropping the parentheses. Now we gotta combine like terms, right? So highest degrees first, so we're gonna combine these two. Next highest degree is the x's, so we're gonna combine those. And this one's all by itself, so that one's just gonna be just 7. Okay, so highest degrees first, so look at the green. 2 plus 5 is 7x to the second. Okay, look at the blues, that's the next highest degree. 5x minus x, you guys, that is positive 4x. And the lone 7, because the 7 can't combine with anything. Alright, number 4. Okay, so we gotta distribute that negative, so the negative 1 gets distributed to each one, right, you guys? So then this is gonna be 5p to the second minus 8. Distribute the negative to each one, so negative 1 times 3p, you guys, negative 3p. Negative 1 times 4 is minus 4. Negative 1 times negative 5p squared, you guys, is positive 5p squared. Now combine like terms, so we got this one right here, you guys. The next highest degree is the p, and then the next highest degree, you guys, are your constants, which is the negative 8 and the negative 4. So highest degrees first, which is the p squared, so 5p squared plus 5p squared, 10p squared. Negative 3p is by itself, so just negative 3p. Negative 8 minus 4, you guys, negative 12. Okay. Number 5. So there's a positive, or you're adding your polynomial, so we can drop our parentheses. Alright, so let's combine like terms. Highest degrees first, so these are the 4th powers. Next highest degree is the 3rd powers, so we're going to combine those. And the next highest degree is our 1st powers, which is 6n and 7n. Alright, so highest degrees first. So negative 4n to the 4th minus 6n to the 4th, negative 10n to the 4th. Now the next power, 5n to the 3rd plus n to the 3rd, you guys, the blues, that's going to be 6n to the 3rd. And the reds, you guys, 6n plus 7n is plus 13n. Okay. Number 6. So minus sign, so that means we're going to be distributing a -1 to each. So 6x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd plus 5. -1 times 2x to the 4th, you guys, is -2x to the 4th. -1 times 3x to the 3rd is -3x to the 3rd. And -1 times -1 is +1. So let's find our... Let's combine like terms. So this one, you guys, the highest degree is 4. The next one, x to the 3rds. And the next one, the constants, which are 5 and 1. So combining like terms for the greens, 6x to the 4th minus 2x to the 4th. So 4x to the 4th. Blues, -x to the 3rd minus 3x to the 3rd, you guys, is minus 4x to the 3rd. And the reds, you guys, 5 plus 1 is 6. And there you guys go. Alright, now we're going to get into our multiplying our polynomials. So, we first got this distribution, you guys, and then this distribution. So 5p times 8p, you guys, is 40p squared. 5p times 7, you guys, is plus 35p. Now the green, 3 times 8p, you guys, is plus 24p, and 3 times 7 is plus 21. So combine those, we got 40p squared. 35 plus 24, you guys, is plus 59p plus 21. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. So 3a times 3a, you guys, is 9a to the 2nd. 3a times -2, -6a. 3 times 3a, you guys, is a positive 9a, and 3 times -2 is -6. Combine like terms, 9a squared, -6a plus 9a, you guys, that's positive 3a minus 6. Alright, we are over here. Oh, it is going to interfere with that, so there you guys, and here. So distribute, 3x times 7x, you guys, is 21x to the 2nd. 3x times -4, -12x. 5 times 7, you guys, is a positive 35x, and 5 times -4, you guys, is -20. So, combine like terms, so 21x squared, -12x plus 35x, you guys, is plus 23x minus 20. Number 10. Oops. We got some tech things going on. Should be coming back up. There we go. Alright, so back to this, you guys. So 4x times 4x, you guys, that is going to be 16x to the 2nd. 4x times 6 is plus 24x. 5 times 4x, you guys, that is 20x. And 5 times 6, you guys, is plus 30. Combine like terms. 16x to the 2nd plus 24 plus 20x, you guys, is 44x plus 30. number 11. Alright, so k times 6k, you guys, is 6k to the second. K times 1 is k. Now on the green, negative 2 times 6k, you guys, is negative 12k. And negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Combining like terms, 6k squared minus 11k minus 2. Alright, fair enough. Number 12. 4m times 4m, you guys, is 16m to the second. 4m times 5 plus 20m. 2 times 4, you guys, is plus 8m. And 2 times 5, you guys, is 10. So combine like terms. 16m squared plus 8, you guys, is 28m plus 10. Now we have a binomial times a trinomial. So we got, I'll do it in the highlighter. So we gotta distribute this to all of them, you guys, first, right? And then we gotta distribute this 4 to each one. So 5n times 4n squared, you guys, that's 20n to the third. 5n times 2n, you guys, is plus 10n squared. And 5n times negative 4 is negative 20n. Now for the green, 4 times 4n squared, you guys, is plus 16n squared. 4 times 2n, you guys, is plus 8n. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Combine like terms, 20n to the third. 10 plus 16, you guys, is plus 26n squared. Negative 20 plus 8, you guys, is negative 12n minus 16. Alright. 14. 5b times 5b squared, you guys, is 25b to the third. 5b times 4b, you guys, is plus 20b squared. 5b times negative 2, guys, is negative 10b. Now we're at the green. Negative 6 times 5b squared, you guys, is negative 30b squared. Negative 6 times 4b is minus 24b. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. Combine like terms. 25b to the third. 20 minus 30, you guys, is minus 10b squared. Negative 10 minus 24, you guys, is minus 34b. And we got the plus 12. Okay. 15. 3x times 5x squared, you guys, that is 15x to the third. 3x times negative 6x, you guys, is negative 18x. 3x times negative 6 is negative 18. Oh, sorry, that one should have been 18x squared. Now for the green, 4 times 25x squared, you guys, is 20x to the second. 4 times negative 6x, you guys, is minus 24x. 4 times negative 6 minus 24. So we got 15x to the third plus negative 18 plus 20, you guys, is plus 2x squared. Negative 18 minus 24, you guys, is minus 42x minus 24. $16. Distribute again. 8x times 3x squared, you guys, is 24x to the third. 8x times 4x, you guys, is plus 32x squared. 8x times negative 5, you guys, is minus 40x. Now for the green, 2 times 3x squared, you guys, is plus 6x squared. 2 times 4x, you guys, is plus 8x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So combine like terms, 24x to the third. 32 plus 6, you guys, is plus 38x to the second. Negative 40x plus 8, you guys, is minus 32x minus 10. Now these last two, which are the juggernaut type problems, you guys. So first we're going to distribute these you guys, here first. So 8n squared times 6n squared, you guys, is 48n to the fourth. 8n squared times negative 6n, you guys, is minus 48n to the third. 8n squared times negative 4, you guys, is negative 32n to the second. So that's that. Now we gotta distribute n to each one of these, you guys. So n times 6n squared, you guys, is positive 6n to the third. N times negative 6n, you guys, is negative 6n squared. And n times negative 4, you guys, is negative 4n. And lastly, you guys, negative 4 to all of these. So negative 4 times 6n squared, you guys, is negative 24n squared. Negative 4 times negative 6n, you guys, plus 24n. Negative 4 times negative 4 plus 16. Now we can finally combine like terms, so 48 n to the fourth. Negative 48 plus 6, you guys, that's minus 42 n to the third. Negative 32 minus 24 minus 6, you guys, that is negative 62n squared. Negative 4 plus 24, you guys, is plus 20n, and then plus 16. And lastly, number 18. So gotta distribute this to all of them, right, you guys? So 6x squared times 3x squared, you guys, is 18x to the fourth. 6x squared plus 5x is plus 30x squared. 6x squared plus 7, you guys, is plus 42x. So that's the first row. Next, we gotta distribute 6x to all of these. So 6x times 3x squared, you guys, is plus 18x to the second. 6x times 5x, you guys, is plus 30x. Oh, this should be 6x, 18x cubed. This should be 30x squared. 6x times 7, you guys, is plus 42x. And lastly, green, you guys, 2 times 3x squared, you guys, is plus 6x squared, and I caught my mistake. Up here, you guys, these should have been, this one should have been cubed, and this one should have been squared. 2 times 5x, you guys, is plus 10x, and 2 times 7, you guys, is plus 14. Okay, that should look a lot better. Alright, combine, so 18x to the fourth. 30 plus 18, you guys, is plus 48x to the third. 42 plus 30 plus 6, you guys, that is 78x to the second. 42 plus 10, you guys, is plus 52x plus 14. And there you guys go. So, just requires some practice. Shouldn't take you guys too long, but again, use this to your guys' advantage. Alright, good luck you guys. Peace.